So let's have a test drive in Volkswagen Tiguan 1.4 TSI. 4-wheel drive, 4Motion drive. In this test drive I'm gonna compare this Volkswagen Tiguan with the Seat Ateca with the exact same engine, 1.4 TSI. Right now it's in the sport mode, and it feels very easy to drive, and it's also very responsive in the transmission. Of course it's staying a little longer in the gear because it's in sport mode. Let's try and get out on the highway. This car is also a little bigger than Seat Ateca. But it feels nice to drive, it really does. And it's easy to overtake other cars. Feels like a hatchback to drive. And this is a big car, SUV. I do get some wind noise from the pillars right here. This is the cheapest entry-level Tiguan, and you can get some pretty good deals on this one. At the moment this one is the same price as the Seat Ateca 1.4 TSI. I'll now change it into normal mode. To see how that works. I'm not sure what just happened here, but it's very responsive in the transmission. More responsive actually. It feels better in the regular driving mode, not eco mode, just the normal mode. Let's try and accelerate now with the normal mode on. It's almost the same. It stays for a while in the gear, same gear, and then it goes up. So this is a nice car to drive, even though it has a small engine for some people. A 1.4 TSI. It doesn't sound much in a car like this, but it's actually okay. And it's very good for city driving. And it feels good and very light and easy to drive. It doesn't seem to lack any power at any point for city drive and country road drive and even on highway. That's just one little thing is on the highway when you try and overtake, you speed up, it stays in the same gear for a long time, like and then it goes up. But that's how it is. I guess you can adjust the transmission on the individual driving mode. But I'm actually a little impressed by the power of this small engine. But for acceleration in the city, it's actually okay. That it goes up pretty fast. It's just on the highway when you push down the speeder and you want to overtake really fast, it stays in the same gear for quite a while. But it's a great car to drive. It's good quality. Everything is of high build quality, good materials. It doesn't feel cheap. And compare this one with the Seat Tigua, I think maybe this one is of a higher build quality. It is just like the bigger engine in Volkswagen. TSI and TDI, but of course the GT and the GTI and the R line, of course they have a better equipment, higher premium materials as well. But in my opinion, it looks the same, and I believe buying this one is maybe even a better deal than buying Seat Tigua 1.4 TSI. And you can get those deals, you know, where it is basically the same price. So I would buy this one because it's of a high quality overall. It feels like it. So go have a test drive in the Volkswagen Tiguan 1.4 TSI 4Motion yourself. Please visit EuromanDriver.com.